Story time. So I haven't told Dan. Well, I did tell you. You said.
Yeah, I don't really remember it that clearly.
Refresher. Okay, so me and Jamie, we're like driving along here, and see that swan in the middle? I'll zoom in for you guys.
You're talking to the camera.
Oh, it was.
Yeah, dude.
Okay, so we were driving by, and I was like, God, those stupid fake geese. Like, who do they think they're fooling? She's like, they're real, and I'm like, you shut up.